Hello everyone. Let's start off with our satellite loop for today, and it was a mostly clear afternoon over South Africa, along with high temperatures in places over the northern, central and western interior. Temperatures got above 30 degrees in those areas, while towards the eastern coastline it was milder, and there's quite a bit of cloud in places over the Eastern Cape and in particular for KwaZulu-Natal. As the afternoon got hotter up in the northern parts, a few thunder showers popped up over Limpopo, and we can clearly see those on the satellite imagery indicated over here. And those storms were only just getting started in the mid-afternoon hours and will continue into this evening. As indicated by the synoptic analysis, they will dissipate much later on, but we will see storms around as well into parts of Mpumalanga. A bit of light rain still possible for the eastern coastline, a little bit of drizzle here and there, and it will be a mostly clear and mild evening over the western parts of the country. Heading into tomorrow, some morning fog along the escarpment areas. That will burn up quickly after sunrise. A bit of that moisture will have spilt over onto the high veld, and the importance of that is that it's going to be the fuel that's necessary for a few thunder showers to return to Gauteng, parts of the Free State and even the northwest. The western parts of the country, mostly clear and dry, and it's going to be a very hot day for some areas in the northern and western Cape. The rainfall probability map for this evening shows light rain over the far eastern coastline as well as the adjacent interior. A few thunder showers for Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo, where we've already had storms earlier in the day, and no rain in the forecast for Gauteng as well as all the way towards the west coast of the country. Cape Town this evening, mostly clear and dry, a little bit gusty for some parts of the city, up to 30 kilometers per hour. And heading into tomorrow, when it's going to be a sunny day along with light winds, a maximum temperature of 32 degrees. And if you're lucky enough to not be at work, perhaps a good day to go to the beach as well. Minimum temperatures for the rest of the country, and it's going to still be quite cool for some areas over the mountains, but the rest of South Africa will be fairly mild, mid-teens for most places. And heading into tomorrow afternoon, we can see the deep shades of red and purple indicating where temperatures will get close to or even above 40 degrees Celsius, including Uppington. Kimberley gets to 36, and we'll see similar temperatures near the western coastline. Not much change for KwaZulu-Natal, with maximums in the mid-20s, while it will be slightly cooler in Gauteng. Johannesburg, you get to a high of 30. On Thursday, it's going to be even hotter over the far eastern parts, along with a couple of thunderstorms. Lots of sunshine in the west, but cooler air will be in circulation along the southern coastline. And for Friday, a few thunder showers return to the central parts, including Kimberley, Mahikeng, as well as Bloemfontein.